Gitchy, gitchy, ya, 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 ya. Good day, everyone. This is the RBM Up. We got to sit up now in the backyard to dry out from our last camping trip. And this tent is very, very nice. We had a great night, but the flies had us eat. So I'm thinking they were coming in through here. I'm not 100%, but this tent, she's double layered, and got a lot of stuff here to hang stuff up. Windows, 2 doors, stove jack. You know the drill. Lots of videos on these tents, and lots of pockets and all this old stuff. And they got some bags and that you can put on there to put all your stuff in. Bags there to put all your stuff in. But now today I'm going to try to patch that hole. We'll see how this goes. This one right there. See what I can do to patch that. Now it comes with a kit. Now we'll check that out. See how it goes. Comes with all these tack lines, good stuff, a spare buckle, and 3 pieces of material for inner layer and screen and all this. And let's see what we got here now. All-purpose adhesive, made in Germany. Should I use? Oh, I got 2. Excellent. Hope it's not all in German. Oh my God. What kind of word? Ooh, what does that mean? Apply a thin layer of adhesive on one surface. Join surface together, adjust if necessary. For a non-absorbent surface. Thin layer to each surface. Dry and free from grease. Leave for a wall. Apply a non-thin layer and press together. Well, hey, we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll put it on the page. I got some stuck to me head. Now, got the patch all on. Give that a little wall and we'll see how that works out. Don't mind the dead flies everywhere. Perfect. See how that works out in the little wall. So while we're waiting for that to dry, you got all these little tabs here for your tack lines. They actually got little pockets in them, so you don't have to take them off every time. tuck it in there. See her closed. That's it. When you're ready, zip, boop, bop, bang, poop, pop, done. They knows what they're at when they built this tent, I must say. Well, it's been a couple hours now since I put the patch on. And it seems to be perfect. Well, good enough. The hole is all patched up. Whew. Now we contacted RBM about the hole in that, and where it was the first time ever setting it up. It was the best customer service we ever dealt with. They actually sent us a brand new tent. So yeah, if you ever dealing with them, and if you ever have trouble, just contact them and they'll help you any way they can. Really, really good customer service, best I've ever seen. Anyway, patchwork good. No defects I can see. Perfect job. 2 hours, good to go. This is Chachi's shitter setup. Sitting up is not the problem. Taking it apart is the problem. Or putting it back in. Perfect.
Almost there.
Almost there. Now we can shit in peace. Unless there's no bag in there. And then you gotta find a almighty stick to hang on to.
What happened to you?
I already told it. There she's done. All packed in and ready to shit in.
Not in the backyard.
Not in the backyard though. But it all depends on if the bathrooms are full. How bad it gets. If I got to, well, shit happens.